Hey guys, how are you all? Today I'll show you a quick and healthy delicious dessert recipe fruit custard. To start, take 500 ml fresh cream milk, let it boil for 5 minutes and 1/4 cup of sugar into it. Now take around 2 to 3 tablespoons of custard powder. I'm adding raw milk to mix it well. Mix it well and pour the mixture into a boiling milk. Add some saffron strands into it. Let it boil for 2 minutes and see the consistency thickens. Transfer the content into a bowl. Chill and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. Now take some delicious fruits and let me know what is your favorite combination fruit to add into this recipe. I'm adding dragon fruit, apple, pomegranate, green grapes, red grapes, guava and some nuts. Mix it well. That's it. The super tasty healthy dessert is ready to taste. Bye all.